Make your specific person miss you badly, but remember, use this with caution. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach, and I am excited. I haven't been this excited about twin flame energy in many, many years, but this has got me very excited. It's the winter solstice event, 3 hours of Zoom intensive. I mean, we're talking about twin flames and love and soulmates, and we're teaching you exactly what you need to do to make 2024 your year of love. And I really mean that. So be sure and visit mastermanifesting2024.com. Look, take a few moments, visit the site, check it out, get registered while we still have time. mastermanifesting2024.com. It's going to be incredible, especially if your intention for 2024 is a twin flame, a soulmate, or a lifelong partner. Well, high flyers, through the use of vibrational pheromones, you can send out a message to anyone. You can send out a vibration, and that vibration literally kind of wakes them up, rocks them a little bit, and gets them excited about you. But more importantly, well, I guess the best way of putting it is they start missing you and wanting to be near you and be close to you. And they not only miss you, they miss you badly. Now, feel free to use this technique anytime you want your specific person to be longing for you, missing you, wanting you, craving you. It really works, and it's easy, and you can do it anytime. A vibrational pheromone is a unique and powerful vibration that occurs whenever emotional energy is tied to new beliefs or affirmations. A vibrational pheromone literally increases your magnetism. Now, animals have very strong pheromones when they go into heat, and they literally attract males, but it's not specific. It can be all kinds of male dogs or male cats or male moose or whatever, okay? These vibrational pheromones can be directed at one specific person, your specific person, and they'll start thinking about you. They'll start missing you. And as they receive more and more of this vibrational energy from you, they'll miss you more and more. They'll miss you badly. When you choose to feel the reality that you desire, when you choose to feel it right here, then the reality you desire will begin to change. You see, contrary to popular belief by some people, it's not about standing in a corner and saying an affirmation 1,000 times. It's about feeling. It's about vibration. It's about frequency. Call your desires into being and imagine feeling your wish fulfilled. Neville Goddard. In other words, the more you believe, deeply believe, that your specific person is missing you, and not just lightly missing you, but missing you badly, the sooner that will show up in your reality. Think about your specific person. Do you miss your specific person? Do you long for your specific person? Do you want more time and attention from your specific person? All of that energy, all of those feelings that you feel can be inverted and sent to your specific person, and they will feel it too. Now, let me give you a warning first. You can't do this kind of deep emotional, vibrational attraction. And at the same time, be following their Instagram account or their Facebook account and seeing who's following them and wondering what they're doing and talking to your friends. That is contrary to the law of attraction. That is absolutely, well, let's put it this way. It just stops the energy that you are creating, this vibrational energy between the two of you. It stops it cold because now you're focused on what you don't have, or you're focused on worry and doubt and fear and anxiety rather than love and craving and hunger and missing and wanting. So your focus must be inward on the reality you desire. This is where you focus, because when you focus inward, you create outward. You create it by feeling inward, and then it shows up in your outside reality, in the reality around you. So let's get into the vibration of your specific person missing you badly. Can you see in your mind's eye? Can you see your specific person? If you can't see them, can you just feel their energy? Now think about how much you miss them. And think about that energy literally being transferred to them. And they are feeling the same kinds of feelings that you are feeling. The two of you are feeling them together, and they are missing you. Let me give you this special affirmation. Now, this is going to be kind of your primary or cornerstone affirmation every time you do this. So you may want to stop the video and write this down and carry it with you. The one I miss misses me even more. The one I want also wants me. My specific person misses me badly. So just feel your feelings of how much you miss your specific person, how much you desire them, how much you long to spend more time with them or be near them or have them reach out to you. And now feel those feelings literally being transferred via vibrational pheromones, literally surrounding your specific person, literally penetrating the energy field of your specific person. Feel your feelings entering your specific person and feel how much they love you, how much they want you, how much they miss you. They can't stop thinking about you. Oh yes, they are missing you. You know it. Say it. I know that they are missing me. I know that they want me. I know that they love me. I feel them reaching out to me. And throughout the day, anytime you think about them, you can repeat this simple little process. It can be done anywhere. You don't have to close your eyes or go into a deep state of trance to do this. You just have to focus on your feelings and visualize or see, or even better yet, know that your feelings are being transferred to them so that you share them together. You miss your specific person, but he or she misses you even more. They miss you badly. Remember, keep saying it. The one I miss misses me even more. The one I miss misses me even more. Make that your cornerstone affirmation. Keep doing this little exercise, and you will be absolutely thrilled at how much your specific person misses you. Now, remember to focus clearly and concisely on the one you want, on your specific person, because vibrational pheromones, if you just send it out there, you'll have all kinds of people coming to you, calling you, texting you. Some of them you may not want to hear from. So be very specific with your vibrational pheromones. This really works. Expect miracles in your life. And here's another video. It's a meditation. I want you to try it. It will absolutely help you.